hurricane season just recently ended, and this season was above average with major hurricanes. Our Belle Oliver gives us a recap on this week's edition of WHYS.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the episode of WHYS. I'm your host, Belle Oliver, and today we're going to be doing a hurricane season in review because hurricane season ended on November 30th. So I wanted to put together a couple of stats to show you that this season was definitely above average, which is what NOAA was kind of forecasting back in the summer. So we had 18 named storms. The average is only about 14. Out of these 18 named storms, we had 11 hurricanes. The average is only about 7. Out of these 11 hurricanes, we had 5 major hurricanes, and for something to be considered a major hurricane, it has to be a Category 3, 4, or 5 hurricane. The average for major hurricanes is only about 3. So this definitely proves that this was an above average season as far as hurricanes go, and we actually had 5 U.S. landfalling hurricanes, and this map kind of shows all of the ones that hit the U.S. this season and what their strength was when they made landfall. Starting, we have Beryl. It was a Category 1 hurricane when it made landfall off the coast of Texas. And then we had Francine, which was a Category 2 hurricane. It made landfall in Louisiana, and that's the one that caused some wind and some rain issues here in northeast Mississippi. We had Hurricane Helene, which was a Cat 4 hurricane landfall near Big Bend region of Florida. We had Hurricane Debbie, which was a Category 1, also near the Big Bend region of Florida. And then we also had Hurricane Milton, which is a Category 3 hurricane that made landfall near Tampa this year. So just some key stats and key takeaways from this hurricane season. This was from Beryl. It was the earliest Category 5 hurricane on record to form in the Atlantic Ocean. Milton created 46 tornadoes in Florida this year, and Hurricane Helene produced catastrophic flooding with 20 to 30 inches of rainfall in North Carolina, and there's estimated $200 billion in damages and over 300 deaths from this hurricane season. And my thoughts and my prayers still go out to those communities, especially in Florida and in North Carolina, who are still dealing with some of these effects from the hurricanes. Well, that's all I have time for today. If you have any other questions, make sure to email me at weather@wcbi.com or find us on Facebook and Twitter.
WeatherWise is brought to you by Four County Electric Power Association.